Hey, what is up, guys? This is me, Mad Max, Porno Boy Max, or Fonzie523, whichever one you prefer. Those three. And how y'all doing? It's me. As you can see, I'm wearing my leather jacket right now. I'm sporting my leather jacket because it is freezing inside, and I think it's about to start raining outside. I'm not sure. Today's video is going to be about everyday things that I carry with me. So as you can see, I already got a few of them on right now. I got the a bracelet my friend gave me. I'll show you my comb. Lucky comb. Got all of the stuff on it because I freaking see, I got gel all over it and pomade and such stuff. So I got my other comb. If you need another comb, you can carry it. And I'm gonna show you where to put it too. Okay, get your leather jacket on, right? And you can have locks for weapons. I don't care. It's my personal use. You can also have them for looking for design, but that's going to be for another video. So, comb, put it right here in the back pocket, right there. But as you see, we already got one, so we don't need this one. So, we got our lanyard, Cowboys lanyard. You can put keys or something on there. I just prefer to leave it blank because I don't have any keys or anything like that right now. On me, I'll put it right here in my, see that, show you. See, right there, and this little pocket up here. Okay, so you, got a little bit more room here. Okay, so, you got your, damn it. Alright. Sorry guys, technical difficulties. So you got your pomade, or in my case, petroleum jelly. Put that right here. Hey. Got your necklace, or beads necklace. Whatever kind of necklace you have, you put it around there. You know what, I have to do it. And when I have to do it means I have to twirl it around to make it stick or stay. Until it clicks. There you go. There you go, guys. And cats and kittens, that's how you do it. Hey, okay. So this is also a chain. It has a lock on it for protection. Don't ask me why. We'll get to that in another video. Chain with the lock on it. Great for self-defense use weapon. So you put that in here, the back pocket, the wallet part, and we put this right here. Clip it on right there, as you can see. They're on the belt loop. Put pants up a little bit. Braces don't sag. It's for losers. And Vans or Chuck Taylors, or boots. I don't have any motorcycle engineering boots. All I have is leather boots with straps and laces. Sorry guys, I know it's a separate video, but that's all I got. So you got cigarettes, or in this case, your you see that from there. Lighting's kind of bad. I'm kind of in it. It's your cigarettes or toothpick. In my case is bamboo. I smoke, so I know it's bad for me, even worse than cigarettes. But oh well. Put that right here in this middle pocket up here. And the leather jacket, if you have one. If you don't have one, get a leather jacket. It's awesome. Mask or masks. Put one up here, in case for a friend or for yourself for later, in case you lose the other one. And get this damn thing closed. Damn. Close one. Alright. Mask. Get you going to a doctor's appointment. Or you just want a badass. And your belt. Now, the reason why I'm gonna wear this belt is a little different from everybody else. Wait, I'll tell you about that in another video. Why I'm wearing a belt like this. Why I'm wearing a belt like this, guys. But I'll show you how I wear my belt. You go like that, right? I know I'm fat, don't judge me. Fuck all you haters who say, hey, I mean, you're fat ass, motherfucker. I know I am. I know I am, trust me. I don't need y'all to tell me that, though. I'm gonna fuck off for all I care. But to my viewers that do like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. Love you guys. Who do that kind of stuff. You know, you guys are awesome. That's how I do in the vote. You kind of see this kind of style in Deuces Wild or a few other movies that you see about Greaser's movies. So, yeah. And that's how you do your Greaser Everyday Carry items. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll leave a link in the description down below to show y'all where to find me on Instagram and on Facebook. And yeah, y'all enjoy your rest of y'all's day. Be safe, love y'all, stay safe, have a good day. Stay cool, stay greasy. Mad Max Pony Boy, next. Fonzie 523 out.